Today I'm gonna be showing you my bird here. So he's kind of wanna escape, but yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to like teach birds. So it's calling out a bird. You see that? You see that bird? There's like tons of them in here, just spying at me. There's even more here. They're like spying on me. They're so weird. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to teach a bird. So what you're gonna do is put them in your hand. Just like this. They're automatic. They're gonna like automatically climb up. And once you do like this, okay, turn around, then hold this. You're gonna climb up. That's how you do it. So when you do this, you're gonna climb up here in your thumb. Oh, this is another one. So yeah, that's how you teach them. So I got more. How to make them fly? Okay, it's easy. Oh, wait. Make sure you're holding them like here. Okay. And just keep doing that like every day, and you fully develop how to fly. So this one can't fly because that much because he has like something in his like down here. I take it out already. So yeah, but he still can. So here I'm just gonna take care of him like 5 days, and yeah, I hope he survive. So that's about it, guys. So make sure sorry. So make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and yeah, share this video for all animal lovers out there, and bird lovers. If you have a parrot, yeah, show this to him or her. He might like it. She might. Ew. What the fuck? Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, he pooped at me. Ew. That's gonna be it.